Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a interesting article that is written about a discovery that was done many months ago by the security researchers at the University of Birmingham and also at Durham University. And it affects Windows, and it's kind of interesting. So it has to do with RAM memory. Now, it doesn't work with all RAM memory. It depends on what module, what manufacturer RAM you have. But some RAM memory have a flaw where if you go and tamper with some of the information on the RAM, you can actually create a condition where Windows will actually see more RAM than is installed. And that creates an environment where data can be modified in order to, of course, push malware. And so there was a demonstration done. When I say if you have security flaws, your antivirus doesn't help. Well, the demonstration that they did was that they actually created that problem, and that was then used to infect a machine. And the first thing that the malware did was disable the antivirus so it doesn't see anything of what's happening. So this is not completely fixed, but it is mitigated. Microsoft was knew about it actually, and they actually told Microsoft about that flaw. So if you had the April Patch Tuesday, you had that fix on the PC. And of course, it is still in effect with a way to mitigate this. But there's a catch. In order for this fix to work and to protect you, you need to have secure boot enabled. And so Microsoft does say that, yep, you have a mitigation in effect, but secure boot is really mandatory for this fix to actually work and do its job to keep the memory modules safe from that attack. So it's kind of interesting to see how the different ways that malware and the different ways that any hacker out there can just infiltrate depending on what you have. And once again, this is dependent on some memory modules. There's no mention of any manufacturer. So I guess they want to keep quiet on which modules can be affected by this or not. These modules are not write protected, and that's why they can modify the information. The ones that are fine have some feature for write protection, and those cannot be exploited in this way. But anyways, if you have Secure Boot enabled, all the latest updates in Windows mitigate this and make it hard to, or even almost impossible to be used. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.